हैट्स, आप सब लोग कैसे हो? वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल, वेलकम टू अनदर मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल। आज के मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल का थीम है एवरीडे गो टू मेकअप। नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन क्वेश्चन जो आई थिंक हर लड़की को, औरतों को ये बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन आता है, मैं क्या मेकअप करूँ, इफ आई हैव टू गो आउट टू मीट माई फ्रेंड, या अगर मैं कॉलेज गोइंग हूँ तो मैं क्या मेकअप करूँ, मिनिमलिस्टिक मेकअप, या मैं ऑफिस गोइंग हूँ तो मुझे क्या मिनिमम मेकअप करना चाहिए कि इट शुड नॉट लुक loud, it should look subtle. So this is one of the in between, like subtle come, if I will not say loud, but little level up than subtle. Like I have created two looks. So again, I'm going with my theme, that is quite easy makeup, affordable makeup products and minimum makeup products. तो इन तीनों को आप मद्देनजर रखते हुए just follow my tutorial. It's a very easy yet to mesh very makeup tutorial. So without any further delay, let's straight dive into the video.
So the first thing to begin with any makeup is first you have to prep your skin. Now in this tutorial I have already prepped my skin, but definitely would like to show what all things and products I have used. So I have cleansed my face with AHA Glow face gel. After that, very important is serum. So I have used Truderma Vitamin C serum 20% with hyaluronic acid, and a sunscreen, of course, Bioderma sunscreen SPF 50+, which I have applied, and I have prepped my lips with Vaseline. Now as this tutorial is all about everyday go-to makeup, so I am using a very light foundation stick from Nykaa from the shade 03 Rose Beige, and again I am using the same brush, which is a contour fluffy brush to use and to create my base. Now as you can see, I have a lot of hyperpigmentation on my forehead, under eyes, little bit at the chin area. So gently I'm going to apply all over my face as well as to the neck area so that I get a seamless finish. तो आप जैसे कि देख सकते हैं कि मैं डैबिंग टेक्निक ही यूज़ कर रही हूँ, मैं मेरे ब्रश को ड्रैग नहीं कर रही हूँ। तो आपको काफ़ी धीरे धीरे करना है। अगर आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं, आपको थोड़ा और काम लगाना है फाउंडेशन, तो यू कैन डू दैट। तो एज़ ये गो टू मेकअप है तो मैं यहाँ पे कंसीलर नहीं लगा रही हूँ, बट अगर आप चाहते हो तो लगा सकते हो। इसके बाद आई एम गोइंग टू पैक माई बेस थ्रू शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स ड्रीम कवर SPF 15 मैटिफाइंग कॉम्पैक्ट। इसको भी मैं डैबिंग टेक्निक से ही लगा रही हूँ, मैं मेरे ब्रश को ड्रैग नहीं कर रही हूँ। तो आपको धीरे धीरे मेकअप का बेस अच्छे से करना है। So let's begin with the eye makeup. So here I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Ultimate shadow palette for my eye makeup. So first I'm going to start with my eyebrows. So here I'm using this Poolie brush and I'm going to just lift my eyebrows a bit, and then I'm going to use the same eyeshadow palette and use the black shade from there, and I'm going to build my eyebrows. Always start filling your eyebrows from the mid part of your eyebrow. Never do it from the beginning, because sometimes if you do it from the beginning of your eyebrow, it looks a little artificial. Now you have to hold your brush in a perpendicular manner and dab at the beginning of your eyebrow. So if you do this, it looks quite natural. Your eyebrows look quite natural. It doesn't look like it's artificial. And then just use a spoolie brush and brush all over your eyebrows. So yeah, that's it. Now we are going to start with the eyeshadow. So I'm using a neutral shade and I'm going to create a base by using this eyeshadow which I have pointed out. Now I'm using a eyeshadow which is a one shade darker, and I'm just going to apply at the end of my eyelids and to the crease area. Not all over my eyelids, but just to the end and to the crease area. Yeah, so this is almost done, and now I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Kajal, and I'm going to put kajal at the lower eyelid. Now this is the most important part of this tutorial because the entire look is going to come with kajal. So you have to again gently apply kajal. Now I am completely a kajal lover, so I use a lot of kajal, but it's up to you like how much you would like to use. But this tutorial I'm going to use a lot of kajal. I'm going to make quite a dark kajal look here. Now I'm using a pointed brush and I'm going to just smudge this kajal from the bottom. So very slowly you have to just smudge it out quite gently. Now we are going to put lots and lots of blush. So as you know, I always use a pink lipstick. So this is from shade 16 Barbie Pink Matte Finish Lipstick from Bella Vista. So here I am applying it from the mid part of my cheek to the hairline and a bit at my nose also. And again I'm using the same fluffy contour brush. Now here I am not contouring my face, but I'm using a lot of blush to give that dimension to my face. So if you want to skip contouring, you can always use a good highly pigmented blush to give that structure or dimension to your face. Now here I'm going to apply Maybelline New York the Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara, and take again a lot of mascara on your brush, but yes, just dab a bit in the same bottle before you apply so that excess mascara doesn't reaches your eyelashes. So again, as you can see, I'm applying through a zigzag मेथड. तो उसको एकदम स्ट्रेट नहीं लगाना है, थोड़ा सा जिगजैग करके आप मस्कारा लगाए तो इट गोज़ इवनली टू ऑल योर eyelashes. Now I usually never use a lip liner to lip my lips. Instead I use a micro brow pencil. So here I'm using Swiss Beauty shade number 3 Natural Brown to line my lips, and I'm trying to fill the same color inside my lips as well. The next is I'm going to use Brosh Beauty shade number 110 High Tea as my lipstick. So here I'm going to apply again a good amount of lipstick, and I'm going to just smudge it by just rubbing my lips. Yeah, so if you want, you can keep this look, or if you want to intensify, like I want to intensify a bit, so I'm using Inside Cosmetics non-transfer lipstick shade number 22 Autumn, and just going to put a little bit like through a dabbing technique and just going to smudge it again by rubbing my lips across. So it gives a little intense look. So now we are going to highlight. We're going to use a highlighter. So I'm using Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter for highlighting my high points. So I'm going to use this shade. I'm going to apply it at my brow bone. I'm going to use a little bit pinkish shade, and I'm going to again highlight my cheeks. So I'm just using my fingertips again, and a bit on my nose, and of course my forehead, which I love to. So this is the first look. I have put bindis, jhumkas, and I've combed my hair. So this is how I've created my first look. Now moving to the second look, again I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Kajal, and I'm going to just roughly apply it on my eyelids. So you need not to be precise here. You can just be uneven also, because any which ways we are going to smudge this out. So you have to be a little careful that you don't go over and above the eyelids, just to the upper eyelids is enough. Then I'm using the same pointed brush and I'm trying to smudge it all. Again, I'm using the darker brown shade of the same eyeshadow palette and just going to apply to the crease area of my eyelid. तो दोस्तों, अगर आपको मेरा ये मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल अच्छा लगा तो do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Maushmi Roy. Till then, thank you for watching and have a nice day ahead. Bye.